Hello guys, so today's vlog we have the new Rode VideoMic Go 2. Yes guys, we have another new microphone from a Rode company. And it's available guys now here in AEB World guys. So you can visit any AEB showroom and you can find a new Rode VideoMic Go 2. A shotgun microphone from Rode. Yeah, this is a perfect shotgun microphone for all the vloggers out there guys. So if you are a vlogger or content creator, this is the time that you're gonna upgrade your microphone guys. So if you have an old microphone and if you want or planning to buy a microphone, this is a good investment microphone guys, especially for vloggers and content creator. Yeah, because it's small and compact. So again, let's unbox the Rode VideoMic Go 2 and we will try to compare with the Rode VideoMicro Pro Plus, or which is we're used also to our vlog. Yeah, the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus. So, but again, let's start unbox now the Rode VideoMic Go 2. So, okay, siya. Let's unbox. Okay, yung. Okay. Yon, it's similar box packaging with the Rode Video NTG. Rode VideoMic NTG. Yeah, similar guys. So this is the inside of the box, and you have here, I think the 2-year warranty will be on the website if you will register the product guys. Highly directional microphone with 3.5 TRS output, digital USB output, and compatible with the iPhone and Android device. So, ayan guys. Okay. Open natin siya dito. Anong palang pag-open nun guys? So, ayan. Kita na kaagad ang microphone guys. This is the microphone itself. Ito siya. Diba? Ganda, diba? Oh, so, ayan. Ang light natin ngayon is an RGB light guys. So, ayan, RGB type. Ayan, from Bodox. That's why it's like a blue. Ayan, ang ating. So, ayan, the 3.5 jack. And you have the USB-C. So, I think USB-C is good for your iPad. If you have USB-C to USB-C. Or for your laptop or PC. Ayan. Then, you have the shock mount, which is red color, similar with the NTG. And the 3.5 to 3.5 TRS. Yan. So, yan. Wala nang nakalagay dito guys. So, manual. Yan. So, this is the microphone. Guys, tignan natin. Yan. Okay. And, of course, this is the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus. So, this is the Rode VideoMic Go. And this is the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus. So, look at the size guys. Size difference. This is, yan. Little more bulky and bigger. But again, the sound quality. So let's go and test the sound quality of this both microphone from Rode. So let's go. And yan nga guys. So this is the Rode VideoMic Go 2. Yeah. So we are testing now the microphone guys. I will show you the mic. Yan. Para makita nyo guys yung setup ng ating mic. Nakamas pa rin tayo para diba safe. So wait lang guys. Ito ang ating microphone, which is the Rode VideoMic Video. Yon. So this is the Rode VideoMic Go 2. And our camera is 10. Yeah. So again, this is the sound quality of the Rode VideoMic Go 2. So, ba't nga tinawag ng VideoMic Go 2 to? Yan. Yeah. Rode VideoMic Go 2. Again guys, if you want to check the price, we have available here in AEB World. Ayan. Oh. It's around 39,950 Kuwaiti dinar. So, ayan guys. We have still stock dito. Marami tayong stock ng Rode VideoMic Go 2. So, if you want to upgrade your Rode VideoMicro, this is the best upgrade guide, Go 2. Yan, ganda ng design. So, compact and yeah, it's perfect for the vloggers. the Rode VideoMic Go 2. So again, test natin sa labas, sa windy. Tara. And again guys, so we're here in Symphony, in the back area, parking lot. It's too noisy guys. There's a lot of sound, noise, and ayun. So we will try to use this Rode VideoMic Go 2. Ayan, in outdoor. So it's too windy here now guys, because we're actually in front of the seaside area here in Salmiya, Kuwait. Ayan. So again guys, this is the sound quality of the Rode VideoMic Go 2. Ayan, napakaingay guys. There is a ano ba to? Parang sa kitchen area ng restaurant. So maingay. Maingay na. Then of course the wind coming from the seaside. Ayan. And ayan, it's a busy area. Ayan, may machine dito. So hindi ko alam kung maririnig nyo pa. Overexposed na yung boses ko. So ayan, ayan, may wind pa, diba? So total, ano na ito, kung noise ang hanap nyo, eto, noise test na to in outdoor. So this is the sound quality of the Rode VideoMic Go 2. I hope you hiningal ako. I hope still you can hear my voice, even there's a wind and there's a noise coming from the kitchen in the restaurant. So ayan, it's already 9 PM here guys, in quite 9 PM time. So again, this is the Rode VideoMic Go 2. Yan, sample na lang natin ang Rode. So sir, diba? So check na lang natin ang isang microphone, compare natin sa Rode VideoMic Pro Plus. And again guys, so this is the sound quality of the Rode VideoMic Go 2. So yan, we're here outside the mall guys of Symphony. So ayan, this is the outdoor test with the Rode VideoMic Go 2. So yan, ulitin natin. This is the sound quality of the Rode VideoMic 2. And we will switch to the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus and check and compare the quality. So let's go. And this is the sound quality of the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus. So here, we are here in outside the Symphony Hotel, Symphony Mall of course, before we use this Rode VideoMic Go 2, the new Rode VideoMic Go 2. And now we are switched to Rode VideoMic Pro Plus, and let's see and compare the sound quality of both of these two microphone guys, shotgun microphone. So ayan guys, again, this is the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus. So ayan guys, and that's it for today guys. So again, if you want to know the prices of Rode product, you can visit our website www.abworld.com guys. So we have available Rode products here guys, from shotgun to condenser to boom mic, ayan, name it guys. From mobile to USB type of microphone, we have here. We have podcaster mic, we have NTG, and we have also guys the new NTG 3B. Ayan, so we have NTG 2, we have the VideoMic NTG, even the Rode VideoMic Micro, which is yan, very famous microphone for the vloggers, yan, or content creators, yan guys. But on today's vlog guys, again, we have the Rode VideoMic Go 2. Yan, it's a perfect size for content creator and for all the vloggers out there guys. So this is very compact and it's very nice for the audio quality. So ayan guys, again, this is compatible with the iPhone, iPad, and yan, ito siya. Again, I think that's it for today. So next time, First, I want to flex my team, which is Team Positive Vlogger. Shout out to all the admin, the members ng Team Positive. Ang PBK 2.0 na si Palaboy OFW na nalilipat ng sa Egayla. So, yan. Kawawa na siya doon. Ayan. And ayan, si Robert. PBK 2.0. Shout out sa channel mo, Bay.
Shoutout sa PBK 2.0. Mga idol, ay yung mga gusto ng Jordan shoes, punta lang kayo sa channel ko, tapos i-comment nyo lang yung natitipuhan yung sapatos, tapos bilihin nyo. At saka nga pala na bagong shotgun mic ni Sir Rphy Samstill, Rode microphone. Anong model to, sir?
Rode VideoMic Go 2.
VideoMic Go 2. Napaka-cute, idol. Tsaka score tayo nyo ng ganda.
At si Karam, channel Karam?
Yes, akalat sariya maaluli. Please subscribe and share.
Yan guys, so again, this is the Rode VideoMic Go 2. Check nyo lang sa our website www.abworld.com. So it's available now guys for 39,950 Kuwaiti dinar. So yan, hanggang dito na lang, nag-blur pa ako, autofocus. Yan, okay. So yan, ulitin natin, Rode product guys. We have all the Rode product here from Symphony Showroom, Egayla and Shamia. So I think that's it for today. Thank you and mabuhay.